Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back. Where we're about to embark on a hilarious and creative journey. Today, I've got a fantastic tutorial for you on how to create 3D Christmas images using the free website Bing Image Creator. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, I've got you covered with easy steps for creating AI image. Get ready for a dose of creativity and fun. As we dive into the world of whimsical AI animal images, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and let's jump right into the tutorial. First, go to Google and search Bing Image Creator. Touch the link to go to website. Touch Join and Create. If you have a Microsoft account, you can log in. If you haven't account, touch Create One and create a new Microsoft account. Get the verification code in your mail inbox. Verification is complete. Write the prompt code in this blank. Touch Create button. Images are generating.